Have you ever wondered why we say bless you after someone sneezes? It dates back to ancient times when sneezing was thought to be a sign that evil spirits were trying to escape the body. Saying bless you was a way to protect the sneezer from these spirits. In some cultures, it's also believed that sneezing might mean your soul is leaving your body and the blessing helps keep it safe. Today, it's more of a polite reflex, a way to show concern for someone's health. So next time you hear a sneeze, remember, it's a little piece of history wrapped in kindness.